This is not a spaceship of a science fiction film. I'm holding in my hands a 3D sensor of the C6 series, and one thing immediately stands out: the carbon. And with that, welcome to TechVibes. Today we're exploring a special design feature, the connection between the laser module and the camera modules. When the distance between the laser module and the camera module exceeds a certain threshold, we switch from traditional aluminum connections to high-tech carbon spacers. And you want to know why? This material stands out for its unique combination of lightness and strength, and it's about 30% lighter than aluminum, and yet incredibly tough. On one hand, carbon's high tensile strength ensures robustness in our sensors, essential for precise 3D scanning. On the other hand, its low thermal expansion coefficient means more stability and accuracy under varying temperatures. These carbon spacers aren't just about durability. They also contribute to the sleek design of our devices, adding a touch of high-tech. Join us next time on TechVibes, where we will dive into our brand new ECS series. Stay tuned and may the sensors be with you.